I'm starting small on it, guys. 978 long, 978 long ZEV ZEV. And my stop is just under 944s, 940s, guys. Just want that 10s to break and stay broken. And I might add over 10 as well, guys, on this. 9 is just rejecting from 10s at the moment, so I am gonna slowly add over 10 depending on how. Okay, strong, guys, it's strong. Alright, I've added over 10, just over 10, 1003s. Alright, here we go, come on, 1060s, off we go, get ready, take some out, get ready, guys. So I don't know if you did, but 1080s, 88s, now as well, 11s, there it goes, 11s, 996, I'm trying to get some out, 1096, guys, 1096. I'm not out too much, just a little bit, 25%. There we go, we halted. 58. It should be opening quite soon, guys, so get ready. No, I'm just joking. I'm joking. Okay, I took some out. 1124. I got bad fill on it. Honestly, I got really bad fill. 1120s, 25 somewhere there. That's horrible. That is horrible. Somewhere there, guys. Right now, stop comes down to 1020s. This area, guys. Raise the stop, guys. Don't just stay with it throughout the whole retracement. If it's gonna reverse, then we gotta make sure that we bank in some. Right, guys, I've got like 30% left, some taken out around 1190, around this area. What is the price I got? 1194s. I know it's a bit early, it could move, but I need to bank in, guys. That's the way I work. I've banked in some more. Massive trade, guys, massive trade. Now if it does break that low, which it will, I'm gonna be out. Doesn't matter, I've had a really good run on it. If that low gets taken out, guys, I'll be out on my final around 30%. ZEV, by the way, I'm out on this for the remaining bit, but that short was there. I didn't take it. Honestly, I am done for the day. I don't have to do anything. Really nice green today, guys, for me. By the way, guys, SPY looking like a nice short. I am looking into that SPY. I am short 60, around 67s, guys. Stop just over 70, 80s, basically 15 cents. Alright, here we go. I'm ready to take some out. I haven't taken any yet. 11, 12s, 13s. I've taken some out 13s, guys. Just want to bank in some 442 13s. Really good. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, that's the average exit here, around maybe a bit slightly higher, but quite clearly, you know, this is probably 3 to 1, more than 3 to 1. So I've added here. What I can do, however, is put my stop to almost break even of the average of those. So yeah, I am still in a good position with this. If it starts to continue and break the lows, then yeah, I'll still be in a full position without risking anything, which is great. Okay, I've taken some out, guys, just under 442. Just under 442, taken some out. So that'll be it for me. What I will do with this one is I'm just gonna just manage it on the side, guys. I don't have to stay here for the stream. If you have any questions, yes, by all means. But because I have 50% left on this and stop on break even, I'll just let it run and see if it wants to break that low there. And if it doesn't, then it will take me out on break even on the rest, which is fine. I've taken already quite a bit on it, so I'm happy with that. So that will be it for the for the day, guys. Hope you had a good one, and I will catch you later tomorrow, guys. Anyways, guys, take it easy, stay safe out there, have a good one. See you in the live stream tomorrow.